all of these issues are pre-trial issues that we discuss. I'm fine talking with you now. That's perfectly fine. But are issues that we can discuss at a pre-jury hearing.
Well, in order for me to sign that paper, I would have
No, I
to
don't need a
agree
signature. I
to you
told my
guys
clerk.
entering.
Thank you. Okay. Can you tell me again how you want to be addressed, just so I can add notes in?
You
Is
can
it
call
just
me
use
Timothy.
Timothy? Okay, cool.
That's it.
Uh,
All
sure.
right. So
Ask
they
first.
is the court attempting to enter a plea on my behalf
We
because
have to. Yeah, we
that
have to.
no. I would not again, I specifically said I am not pleading to anything. Okay. Now I'm
Yeah,
not entering any plea whatsoever, not of guilty or non-guilty or no contest. I am not entering a plea whatsoever. If the court
you're
is
not.
attempting to enter a plea on my behalf, how do
Yep.
I get a recording of these proceedings? I will need a recording of these proceedings so that I can submit it to the Federal Court of Complaints.
Yeah. Give me a half a second. I'll find the law for you. Um, is it 45 or 45A? Yeah, the Texas law says if somebody refuses to enter a plea, the court has to enter a plea of not guilty for them.
What law is that?
It's Texas
Is that
Code
a
of Criminal
statute? Is it a
Procedure.
law or is it a
Yeah,
statute?
I'm not playing that game with you.
No. I'm asking you a question. Okay, well, tell
Yeah,
me
it's a
what it is.
Texas
It's
statute,
45
Court of
what?
Criminal Appeals. So Texas Code, um, yeah, Texas Code of Criminal Procedure is the statute. Texas Code of Criminal Procedure.
Okay, so it's a code. Okay, one second.
But I mean, all of these issues are pre-trial issues that we discuss. I'm fine talking with you now. That's perfectly fine. But are issues that we can discuss at a pre-jury hearing.
Well, in order for me to sign that paper, I would have
No, I
to
don't need a
agree
signature. I
to you
told my
guys
clerk.
entering,
You,
saying that, well, she's saying that I have to sign it, and if I don't
yeah,
sign it, I'm gonna have a warrant out for my arrest. And I told her I did not enter a plea of not
yeah.
guilty,
No,
so
you're good.
therefore I can't sign it.
My clerk's I'm gonna have my docket clerk go up there and help solve that problem. We don't need a signature from you.
All right, guys, buckle up because this one starts at full speed. This man walks into court and immediately says, "Yeah, about that plea." And suddenly we're in a legal chess match nobody was prepared for. I mean, the judge is trying to move the process along, and this guy is over here demanding recordings, questioning statutes, and acting like he's about to file paperwork before lunch. Did he really just stop the entire flow to debate the difference between a law and a code? Bro came prepared for a courtroom and maybe a philosophy class. Then wait, now he's saying somebody threatened him with a warrant if he doesn't sign. Now we're cooking with gas. The tension just jumped from 0 to 100, and trust me, it's about to get even weirder.
How do I get a recording of these proceedings?
I mean, you can file that request. What is it that you need?
To, I guess, is it the Denton Municipal Court clerk?
Sure. Yes.
All right, and I'm gonna be able to get a recording of these, of saying that I did not enter a plea and that you guys had to enter a plea. It's a code that you guys have to follow. Code, not any law.
Yeah, I'm not going to guarantee an outcome, but that's where you would submit a request is through the court clerk.
Oh, so you guys don't guarantee that I'll get a copy. Okay, there's no guarantee that I'll get a copy of these recordings.
Yeah, I can't give you legal advice on how to handle a process issue.
No.
You can submit that request to the court and the court will review it.
Okay, so, and is somebody coming up there so that I don't have to sign? And is there gonna be a warrant out for my arrest if I do
No.
not sign?
No, I
I
don't
will
like
be up
talking about
there.
warrants. Yeah,
Timothy,
Well, she told me,
Timothy, I'll be up
Yes.
there in just a minute.
bailiff's
Okay.
going to
Walk
help.
down to the courts with you and we'll get it taken care
because
of.
I'm gonna show up for my pre-trial.
Just hang on.
And I'm gonna
We're
make
done
sure
here,
I
Tim.
want
We'll be there in
to
one
a
second.
jury trial. I'm gonna follow all the processes. It's
Perfect.
just, she said I
Yeah.
had to sign
No,
in
you're
order,
good.
or I was gonna have a warrant. And
Yeah.
on that paper, it says plea of not guilty. And I specifically
Cross that out. If you don't want to sign that, cross that out. Yeah, you can cross that out if you're not entering a plea. But you don't have to sign. I'm telling you, you get to take that paper home with you without your signature on it. But I just want you to have the court date. That's my only thing. I want you
Okay.
to know when to come back, but I don't need a signature from you.
And I
Like,
just want to make sure I'm not gonna have a warrant out for my arrest by
No.
not signing it.
No. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm
If
gonna
that was
submit
told
a
to you, if that was told to you, we'll fix that problem. But yeah,
Okay,
but
I'm gonna submit a request for these recordings.
if you want, yeah.
Uh,
Bailiff is coming just to make sure that you're good and that you have the paperwork that you need. You're not in trouble or anything like that. He's the
I
nicest person in the
I
world.
appreciate Officer Todd
Yeah.
coming to help me. I appreciate
Yeah.
it. I'll welcome him.
Perfect.
Okay, that's it. I
Awesome.
just want to make sure I'll be there for whatever the trial date is.
Perfect.
But I'm not signing that paper that says I pled guilty because
You don't
I
have to.
explicitly did not.
Yep. You don't have to. You're good.
All right.
Wait for it, because instead of letting this go, my guy locks onto the recording issue like a detective chasing his final clue. The judge keeps explaining the process, but he's looking for guarantees. Not possibilities. Guarantees. I'm losing my mind because every answer creates 3 new questions. Then comes the big moment, the warrant fear. You can almost feel everyone wanting this misunderstanding to end already. The judge is basically saying, nobody's arresting you, relax, while this guy keeps double-checking like he's reading the fine print on a cursed contract. And after all that buildup, the ending is hilarious. No signature needed. No warrant. No drama, at least for today. If you enjoy courtroom moments that somehow get stranger every minute, hit like and subscribe because Case File USA has plenty more where that came from.